of starting your own business but thought it was too expensive, too technical, or just overwhelming? Well, what if I told you that in 2025, you can launch an entire online business using only AI tools, with no coding, no team, and no prior experience? Welcome to AI Money Secrets, where we teach you how to leverage AI to earn online money and design a financially free future. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact process of starting an online business using only AI tools. No camera, no mic, no editing skills required. In this video, I'll walk you through every step: picking the right business idea, building your website, creating products, automating tasks, and marketing like a pro, all using AI. Stick around to the end to get my free AI Business Starter Kit with links to every tool we use today. This video might take longer as I am explaining every task in details, so please stick to the end to get the full benefit out of it. And if you find valuable, please hit like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification on every time we post new video. Start by figuring out what kind of business you want to launch based on your skills and expertise. ChatGPT makes this super easy. Here's how. Go to chat.openai.com, add prompt. Act as a business strategist. Based on my skills in e.g., writing, design, marketing, give me 3 online business models I can start with AI help. ChatGPT will suggest business models like selling digital products, freelancing with AI tools, affiliate marketing with content. Pick one and let's move forward. Step 2. Build a website with durable AI. Now that you've chosen a niche and business type, it's time to build a website for your business. You can do this with Durable.co, an AI website builder for beginners. This tool is very easy to use. Visit http://durable.co. Click Create a Website. Type in your business name and category. Durable generates homepage about section, contact form, AI written content, and images. You can edit the text, add services, and even connect a domain, all in one dashboard. In under 60 seconds, your website is live. If you are still unsure, you can always ask ChatGPT that how to create a website in Durable.co, and it will show you the step-by-step process. Step 3. Now create your brand with Luca. Next up, branding. You need a logo and color palette. AI can handle that too using Luca. Tool, luca.com. Go to https://luca.com. Enter your business name. Select your industry. Choose logo styles, colors. AI generates a complete brand kit. Download your logo, social banners, business card templates, everything ready to go. If you are unsure about how to use Luca, then comment below and I will create another detailed video for you on Luca AI tools. Step 4. Write content with Jasper AI or Copy.ai. Now, let's create blog posts, product descriptions, and emails using AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. Jasper demo. Go to https://jasper.ai. Choose a template, blog post, or product description. Enter topic and keywords. Let AI write 1,000 plus words in seconds. You can tweak the tone, length, and target audience, and it will give you the detailed content. You can then just review the content and publish on your website. Watch a video on how to use Jasper AI tool on our channel, link in the description. Before we go into next steps, I must say you should follow the same steps to create your first website and comment below if you have any questions, and I will try my best to answer your query. Step 5. Design digital products in Canva, plus sell with Gumroad. Now you have a content ready. Let's create a digital product which you can sell online, like an ebook, checklist, or Notion template. Creating digital product is way easier in 2025 using Canva. Go to canva.com. Open Canva. Choose ebook or worksheet template. Use ChatGPT to generate outline and content. Paste it into Canva and design. Once it's ready, upload to Gumroad, Etsy, Amazon, and many other online marketplaces to start selling. Go to any online marketplaces you want to sell. Here I am, showing you an example for Gumroad. Visit https://gumroad.com. Create a product listing. Upload your Canva file. Set your price and publish. Step 6. Automate tasks with Zapier. Now your business is ready. Let's talk about one of the most powerful ways to save time in your business using Zapier automation. Zapier is your AI assistant that connects all your tools and makes them talk to each other without you doing anything manually. Still confused? Let me give you an example. Imagine every time someone buys your product on any online marketplaces. You want to send them a welcome email, add their info to a Google Sheet, and maybe even notify you on WhatsApp. Instead of doing this yourself every time, Zapier can do all of it for you, instantly. Doesn't it sound too good to be true? Here's how to set up your first automation, called a Zap. Visit http://zapier.com and sign up. Click Create Zap Trigger App. Search for Gumroad, as I used Gumroad Marketplace as an example in this video, but you can search for whatever marketplace you're using. Trigger, new sale action app, search Gmail. Action, send email. Customize your thank you email, optional. Add action, Google Sheets. Add row, turn on the Zap. Now every time you make a sale on Gumroad, Zapier will email the customer, record the sale in your spreadsheet, and more, without you touching a thing. If you still have any doubt, I have attached the Zapier automation checklist, link in the description. Step 7. Email marketing with System.io. Now to scale your business, do email marketing with System.io. Email marketing is still king, and AI tools help you create lead capture pages, automated emails, sales funnels, System.io demo. Create lead magnet landing page. Connect to an email sequence. Schedule welcome plus upsell emails. Use ChatGPT for copy. This entire flow can run without you lifting a finger. Step 8. Promote with AI tools. Now it's time to market your business to get more sales. Tools to use: Publer or Ocoya. Schedule and create AI captions. NeuronWriter, AI-powered SEO content optimizer. Canva Magic Studio. Create reels, thumbnails, and banners. To use these tools, you don't need a marketing degree, just plug and play. If you still confuse, comment below with the tool's name, and I will create another detailed video on that tool. You've just built a full-stack online business with AI, website branding products, email system marketing automation, all without hiring anyone or spending months learning tech. If you found this helpful, I've put together a free AI business starter toolkit with all the tools, links, and resources from this video. Grab it below in the description and start your AI business today. Like this video if it helped, comment what business you want to start, subscribe for more AI tools and automation every week. This is AI Money Secrets. Thanks for watching.